Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change font size of periods in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change period size. At first I have to select this period. Then you have to see here are font size option. Now choose a big font size to increase this period size. Now I choose 96 or 36. Now you can see I change font size of periods in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.